Vertical lookup or VLOOKUP help us to import values from other sheet. I will start with simple examples and later I will go to bigger files. Look at these pictures. These are two great footballers. I have the statistics of their international goals. I just want to import those into a single sheet. Now I created a third sheet for comparison. Yeah, I just want to import the values from other sheet using vertical lookup. Look at the Messi sheet. This is Ronaldo's sheet, and you have this country. You have to copy this country's names, and the country name should be same. No capital letter, no small letter. That difference will create duplicate. So make uniformize everything. I copied data from Messi's sheet, all the country names. I copied all the country names from Ronaldo's sheet. I can copy all the country names one by one. I can copy from each sheet the goals scored by each player, but that is time consuming and I am too lazy to do that. Let me do this exercise. Now a lot of duplicates are there. So I have to remove the duplicates. Removed. Yes. Now arrange everything. Now let me apply vertical lookup. Just import these values, write VLOOKUP, and select the sheet from which sheet I want to import, and put the number 2. It is because the goals are in the column 2, A, B. If it is C, you could put 2, 3. Now it is B, so 2. You need an exact match, so put false. This is there. Now you can find a lot of not available values here because he didn't score for that country. Next, import for the other player also. Yes, you got the values. Now you remove all the not available values. 0 replies. You can cross check. Messi, Brazil 5. Netherlands 0, correct. Ronaldo, Brazil 0, Netherlands 4, it's correct. Fine. Yeah, here you go. You can cross check randomly. Lot of not available values are there because they didn't score for that country, so you go replace that with 0. Now I will go to a bigger file. So these are the two sheets side by side. The first sheet is the column A, you can see some locations, and the column B, see, you can see the coordinates. The other sheet, the column A points, and the column C it is column in column B it is elevation. So in the first sheet there is no elevation, second sheet we can find elevation. Now I want to import the elevation. I can't copy paste all this because it's very tedious process. A lot of values are missing. I have marked with the yellow. You can find all this. If you copy, it will not come correct, so I will use vertical lookup. So is equal to vertical lookup sheet elevation sheet 1 2 4, yeah, values are there. Some values are not available. You can check there. There is no elevation for that particular. You can see some notable values because there is no values. Now our vertical lookup is ready. I hope you understand this. Any question? Please comment.